guys, back with another video, and today we're doing a small unboxing about the Tryone tablet stand. I got this off of Amazon. It was about $25, and there's a lot of good reviews about it. And I really needed one, so I thought I'd get it. There's around the box. Yep. And I also bought another stand, which will be in another video. It will be right after this video. So, yeah. And that stand is actually $22, the one I will unbox right after this. I'm gonna need some scissors. Just gonna, there you go, cut it open. There's this thing. There's two papers. Alright, so the first one, tablet stand. Alright, so this thing is big enough to hold a tablet and a phone, so it's pretty it's multifunctional, I guess you could say. Thank you, customer, or dear, okay, whatever. We'll put that away for now. Alright, so here it is. Here's the clamping part, I'm guessing. Okay, pretty nice, pretty nice. Ooh, it's really hard. It feels like it will be stable. And over here we have the thing that will hold your phone. It's got a little mark over there. I'm not sure why, but it's not a big issue to me. So I'm gonna try to uncoil this. Yeah, that's tough. This is definitely going to be able to hold your phone still. I can guarantee you that. Unless you have a pretty big tablet with some with a lot of weight, might not be able to, but it is quite a strong arm right here. I just want to try to attach this right now, so I'm guessing we put this through first, and then we put this here. Do I press it into it, or? Okay, whatever. How do I do this? Oh, what is this for? Crap. Guys, I'll see you guys back in a couple seconds. I'll just figure out what this is all for. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just loosened this and like as so. And it was like this. So I just put it on and screwed it back on. As so, and I'm guessing this is an extra piece. So far I have no idea what this is for. Let's see this clamp. So I've had one of these before, but not this exact same one or from this company. It was a different company, and the clamp wasn't that strong, so I'm gonna have to see how strong this is. Can it go lower, or? Yeah, okay. That's pretty nice, that's pretty nice. I'm not sure what the biggest size it can get to. I'm pretty sure it's whatever, so yeah. That's about it. If you guys have any questions about this product, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to answer those questions. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.